For the great Gaels of Ireland are the people God made mad. For all their wars are merry, and all their songs are sad. As I was out walking one morning in May, to view the fair valleys and mountains so gay, I was thinking on the flowers all going to decay, that bloom around you, bonny, bonny Slieve Gallen Braes. 'Tis not for the want of employment at home that causes the sons of old Ireland to roam, but the rates were getting higher and I could no longer stay. So farewell unto you, bonny, bonny Slieve Gallen Braes. 'Tis often I'd wander with my dog and my gun. I've rambled these mountains for joy and for fun, but these days they are now over and I can no longer stay. So farewell unto you, bonny, bonny Slieve Gallen Braes.